I'm going to be sharing with you guys today my zero waste shower products. So this is, my bathroom was the first place I started reducing my plastic consumption, besides your typical bamboo toothbrush and plastic bags, reusables. This is where I started exploring new products. So I'm really happy to say that I'm finally at a zero waste shower. It took a little while. It took about a year to get there, just testing out new products, but now I'm very, very happy with what I have. So first things first, I wash my face in the shower, so this was the hardest thing to figure out, face wash. So I've tried a few things. Right now I have two products. I have a little testing chunk from Lush. This is the Cold Face face wash, solid face wash. I found that this really dried me out, so I tried a different recipe. This is good for like really washing your face, burns your eyes a lot, not a fan that much, I use it sometimes. But this is my new favorite type of face wash, zero waste face wash. I will link the recipe below, but it's Castile soap, distilled water, and jojoba oil basically, with a little bit of essential oils. And you have to, I mean, I guess you don't have to, but like it helps if you get a soap dispenser that foams, because it's very liquidy. Oh, it just dripped. But it helps to like froth up the recipe. That sounds really gross. It helps to like foam it up so that you get a bunch of suds. But this is really good. It doesn't leave my face really dry because of the jojoba oil. So that's face wash. Then I wash my hair. This was the first zero waste, like big zero waste swap that I was obsessed with, never going back. And it is a Lush Shampoo Bar. This one, I don't even remember what this one's called, but it's like the lemony one. I'll link this below. Amazing. You literally just rub this in your hair twice, and you have like once or twice. Don't get it wet or else it'll turn to mush, but like get your hair wet, step out of the water, go like 1, 2, put it down out of the water. I have one of these little tins that I keep it in. Like once you do those 2 strokes, your hair suds up crazy. It's so satisfying. One of these things will last you, this will last me like 5-6 months, and it costs like, what, maybe $10. Then next, obviously, conditioner. I had a really hard time finding a zero waste conditioner. I tried to make my own. My hair was always left really tangly and just dry, and then I would put a lot of oil in it and it would just be like a mess after that. But my friend actually recommended this is Bar None solid conditioner. You can find it at Ulta, I think, which is amazing, and it comes in just like a little cardboard packaging. And this is cut in half, and I've had this for like a month now and barely made a dent in it, and I have another half. It costs $12. Solid conditioner, amazing. Then, you know, normal body wash, easy swap. You just go from like liquid body wash to a bar, which I'm running very low on this little guy. But I mean, you can get them really small. Just suds it up on a little brush or like a washcloth, and you're good to go. Next is, ooh, this one. I was nervous about this, but safety razors are not as scary as you would think. It takes a little bit to get used to using it, just because you're really nervous when you start. You don't want to cut yourself. This is super easy. You just have your safety razor. This comes out. Here's the razor blade. Mine's super thin. But one of these will last you a while before it gets dull, and that's the only bit you throw out, so you just recycle this. You have to fold in the sharp edges and put it in the recycling. But it's better than a whole chunk of plastic that costs you a lot. Like a pack of these is like $10 off Amazon for like 50, so do the math. My last product is just sweet almond oil, which you can buy in bulk. I have mine in this container, which is super lovely. But yeah, after I get out of the shower, while my skin is a little bit wet still, like I got beads of water on me, I will spray this all over, pump it in my hand, and use it as lotion. So that's about it. That's how I've cut down on plastic in my shower. All the products will be linked below. Also a link to my blog where I write a little bit of a description about all the products. But thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, comment below. I would love to answer any questions you guys have. Thank you.